Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to create a chamfer. So download this part file, open it so you can follow along. To create a chamfer, come under the fillet, select the drop down and select chamfer. There are three options for the chamfer. The first is an angle distance, and that allows you to specify an angle and a distance. So in this example, let's specify a distance of 0.3 and our angle will be 45 degrees. So next thing we have to do is we can just click on any edge. So we'll click on this edge and let's click on this edge and click OK. And that is how the angle distance works. So let's select the chamfer again. And the second option is a distance. So that allows you to specify two different distances. So we'll select in this option, let's select, put a distance of 0.2 and we can leave the second at 0.1. So let's select this edge and that edge. So if you look at this bar that the screen is giving you, you actually have this point that will be pointing to the side that has the 0.2 and has the 0.1. So I want you to keep that in mind. And we will click OK. And the third type of chamfer is a vertex. And if all a vertex is a point. So what we can do is we can click on any point in this part. So for example, and under the vertex, you also have the options to change the distance. So we can click on this point and let's increase distance to 0.2, 0.2, and 0.2 to make it bigger. So we'll click OK. And that is how the vertex chamfer works. So let's try that again. We'll select the vertex. We have our 0.2. We select this point and click OK. And that is how the chamfer works. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture.